Hi everyone, Jason here. I've got a new unboxing video. Uh, it is the middle of August, uh, month of my birth, and I always get me a birthday present. Usually it's a wrestling belt. This year it's something completely different. And here it is. It just arrived from Amazon. So I guess you can say this is something that I've kind of wanted for the last 40 years. This is kind of a childhood want. Of course, it's not anything my mom would allow me to get, that's for sure. So let's open it up, and once you see it, I'll explain everything. Let's. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's heavy. Look at that. It's a sword. It's a sword in a scabbard. Um, I've always liked swords. They're my weapon of choice, if you will. Never been. I'm not a gun guy. I've always been one that uh liked if I could do pull back, if I had the strength to do a bow and arrow, I'd certainly do that before I would do a gun. But anyway, uh I bought my first sword about a half an hour after I found out my mom passed away. I guess you can call that some grieving purchasing. And that was a dragon head katana, just like Duncan MacLeod from the TV show Highlander. But this is not a Highlander sword. This one is based off of a cartoon. Well, this one is based off of a movie, off of a cartoon that I loved when I was. See, the cartoon came out in 1983. I was born in 1972 when I was 11 years old. And this is supposed to be a magic sword. It was in the cartoon. It was in one of the two movies, but this design wasn't used in the first movie. In fact, the less said about the first movie, the better. Wow. This is an unforgiving piece of plastic. Of bubble wrap. Okay. So here's the part so far what I've unwrapped. Do you have a clue as to what it is? Put it in the comment below. All right. Feels like a real leather scabbard. I like it. All right. Oh, it smells like leather. Got it at a very good price on Amazon. Oh, boy. Recognize it yet? Let's get all this saran wrap off of it. And then I will introduce you to it. But anyway, this cartoon, really enjoyed it in 1983 and 1984. And Mom got me and my brother every single action figure that came with it. Uh, for 2 years, every single action figure, the castle that came with it, the uh, vehicles. Though we lost a very important part of his cat when the day we got it that Christmas morning. All right, it's unwrapped. Here we go. What do you think? It's the Masters of the Universe Power Sword, He-Man's Power Sword, and I've been waiting 40 years for this. You ready? By the power of Grayskull! I have, I have, by the, it might be defective, because I don't have the power. Well, let's take a look at it anyway. It's got, this one's based after the movie, the one that came out in the beginning of the summer of 2026. Whoops, blade hit. It's, I don't know, it's a little sharp, not too. I'm sure I could do damage with it if I really wanted to. It's very oily. Has a back sheath. So if I wanted to wear it on my back and I could do the whole Prince Adam thing, I could do it. Or put it on a belt because it's got a nice little loop here. It costed me under $200, which really for this, it's good heft to it. Very oily though. But this will go along very well with my collection. I've got like 3 different kinds of dragon head katanas based on Highlander. I've got a Klingon Batleth. Got 2 of those. I got a Klingon knife. Uh, and this is my first sword in a while. I would like to add a real barbed wire baseball bat based on Negan from The Walking Dead. I mean, my birthday is coming up as per this recording on August 10th. So my birthday is 12 days away. So anybody wants to make a donation? I'm sure Aubrey would love to see that. Uh, you know, I don't know. Let's give it one more try. By the power of Grayskull! Still nothing. I'm gonna have to write the seller and tell him that that is defective. Maybe I can get some of my money back. Because I don't have to get I don't have the power. All right, well, that's my unboxing of the Masters of the Universe unofficial sword replica that I got off of Amazon, under $200. Very heavy piece, very nice piece. Uh, I hope you enjoyed the video. Uh, I enjoyed doing the unboxing, and I will see you all later. Bye.